Hi.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm good. Hello.
Hi. Your name's Ahmed?
Uh-huh, that's right. And your name is Bonnie.
Yeah, Bonnie. Nice to meet
Uh,
you.
it's very nice to meet you. Actually, I checked Cambly, I guess 2 hours ago,
Yeah.
and I saw you online. And I noticed that a Canadian tutor, and I said, okay, if she is stays, I will
Yeah.
call her. And
Yeah.
luckily, you're here.
Oh, nice. Yeah, good timing. I just finished another call.
Uh-huh. So,
Yeah.
how much do you usually spend on Cambly?
I try to work like 4 hours a day. Yeah, do like 4 hours
Mm-hmm.
per day, Monday to Friday. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, four
Yeah.
hours
Yeah.
speaking and
Usually,
talking to
yeah.
like international students from all
Yeah,
over the
yeah, it's
world.
fun. Yeah, it's so fun to meet like so
Yeah,
many different people. Yeah. Where are you
it
from?
is. I'm from Iraq.
Ah, nice. So cool. Yeah, I've
Uh-huh.
had a few from Iraq.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
I have a
Asian.
question for
Yeah.
you, Bonnie. Uh,
Uh-huh.
would you mind if I share this video conversation on my YouTube channel?
Oh, sure. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. That's why you got the nice background.
Oh,
The cute
thank
little
you.
cactus and the planet.
Oh my gosh. I love this cactus, especially like this
I love
kind
it.
of cactus. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's my dream, to visit America, especially Nevada. I guess
Yeah.
it's in Nevada there in America. You can see like the Red Mountains and
Yeah.
those cactus.
Yeah.
I think I am like influenced by like the American Western movies.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I know. That's
Yeah,
cool, right? Yeah.
it is. Yeah.
I like
Mm-hmm.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you so you want to go to America? So when have you have any plans when you're gonna go?
It's my last dream in my life, I guess. I'm going like to do everything to achieve all my goals here, and
Yeah.
this is gonna be like my last goal.
Nice, nice. I
Yeah.
want to go to the Middle
And
East so bad. I really
uh,
want to go to the Middle East. I've never been.
you're more
Yeah.
than welcome. Yeah.
I want to go to the desert. I really want to go like camping in the desert. I think it looks
Okay.
so awesome. Yeah.
Aren't you afraid of about like, animals?
No, no, I love animals. No.
But there are
Yeah.
like freaking animals there. Maybe
I
like
don't know. I
sting
love it.
you, bite
Yeah.
you.
I don't know. I'm
Oh
not
my god.
scared. I love the animals. I used to have a zoo basically in my house. Like I always find animals on the street and then I just bring them home. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I've had a squirrel, a goat, a raccoon, so many birds,
Uh,
cats, dogs.
yeah, they are nice, but what if
Yeah.
you get like approach from like a lizard? Oh my goodness.
Oh, I have so
Oh.
many lizards. Like, because I live in Indonesia and like every day there's
Mm-hmm.
lizards in my house. Every
Uh-huh.
day, lizards in my house. And
Okay.
sometimes like
Oh
this, yeah,
my
like
god.
this one, mostly the small
Uh-huh.
one. But sometimes
Mm-hmm.
here, not in my house, but sometimes I see like the big one too, like this big.
Like
Yeah.
outside of your house.
The big ones are, yeah. But I saw one in up my house this big, a big
Oh
gecko the
my
other day. Yeah.
goodness.
He was in my
I
window. I was
I
taking down my
wish
curtains.
I wish my wife listens to you now. She would blow out.
Or spiders. It's
Oh
normal. You get
woo.
spiders in your house this
Uh-huh.
big
Yeah.
in my house.
Ah.
It's normal here. Yeah.
Now I get it. Now I know that like living camping in a desert for you, it's
No
something
problem.
really easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's yeah, it's a piece of cake for you.
I love it. So
Mm-hmm.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They had
Wow.
leopards here before for sale. I almost bought a baby leopard. I found it in the
Ah.
market. And then I stopped myself. I'm like, no, don't buy a leopard. Like, don't buy a
Yeah.
leopard.
Uh-huh. And is he staying with you right now or
No, I decided not to buy the leopard because I thought, like,
Mhm.
what if it gets it like crazy later, you know? But
Oh
I decided to,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Monkeys too. Yeah, I had a little
Yeah.
monkey for a minute. I had a monkey. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's good at
Okay.
that. Yeah, but then we brought him to like monkey rescue so he can go be a monkey,
Ah,
you know?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 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 yeah. I'm still thinking about like the leopard, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you are taking care of him, you know, and then he watches you, and then wow, she's a really good dinner.
Yeah.
Let's eat her.
So funny. Yeah. They
Yeah.
were small, luckily. They were small. They're still babies. But yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, I see videos on YouTube, like how
Yeah.
much like those animals sometimes are getting dangerous, you know. Some
Yeah.
of
Oh, yeah.
the some of the
So
animals,
dangerous.
even like the dogs, you know.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Sometimes the dogs here are crazy, like street dog,
Mhm.
because
Mhm.
they've been like street dogs for like generations and generations. They've always been on the street. So they're
Yeah.
turned like wild. Like they're wild now,
Oh
you
yeah.
know?
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah. I brought
Mhm.
one home from the beach, like little
Yeah.
puppy, because someone just threw it, like dropped it off. So,
Mhm.
oh, I felt bad. I brought it home.
Mhm.
It was crazy. I had to get rid of it because it was crazy. It brought
Mhm.
home another dead dog's leg. Like it was eating another dog.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
Yeah. I was like, oh, this one's crazy. It's gonna like I'm gonna wake up in my sleep and it's gonna have a knife over my throat. Like it's like
Yeah.
you gotta go.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
okay, when you like don't want this animal anymore,
Yeah.
you just throw it down the street, or you deliver to like a company or like a
Yeah. Like
organization.
I always like will find like a nice home. Like usually I just rescue them off the street
Mm-hmm.
and then like I'll
Mm-hmm.
get them healthy, like give them medicine, they're
Mm-hmm.
good, and then I'll find them a home. But this one, I didn't know what to do because nobody wanted it, you know? Like so like we just like bought this lady has land for a lot of street dogs. So we just bought like
Okay.
a bunch of food for her
Mm-hmm.
and she
Mm-hmm.
let the dog like on her land, you know?
Ah,
And
I
like
see.
go be wild and like eat the other dogs, you know? It was just crazy. Like I was scared. Like
Yeah.
yeah. So
You know,
it was fun.
sometimes you feel them like they are like they are behaving just like a human. Some of
Yeah.
them like are cute and behaves very well, you know, and
Yeah.
nice and kind. And some of them, no, they are aggressive, and
Yeah.
they don't get along with you, even if you
Yeah.
like feed them, take care of them, you know,
I know. This one
like
was like the
cleaning them.
devil. It was awful. It was like a devil dog. Like horrible.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
Hmm.
Good riddance.
Okay.
Funny.
Did you notice that Cambly has changed its logo?
Yeah, I did notice that. Yeah, it looks different now, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I miss like the bird.
Yeah, the bird.
It's yeah, it became like a trademark. Like wow,
Yeah.
Cambly, the red bird.
Yeah. I know. It's just like a little loading sign, it looks like.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.